Set up 9 pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome guys, Creambot back again with another reaction video. Yay! Wagwan guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna react to why Little Mix album is called Get Weird. You see me? I don't really know about the Little Mix album them. We just react to the song them, so I don't really know about the album themselves. I don't know about a couple of the songs them where me react to. You see me? And after this, I'm get to realize who is Little Mix because I react to the videos. I'm get to learn about Little Mix. And from the fans them who after Little Mix who will give me information about them, some learn about them, you see me? I'm get to love them too, you see me? So we're gonna check out that video and see what I'm gonna feed. I'm gonna find out more about them, hopefully. So begin now.
What's behind the album name, by the way?
Us, because we're just weird anyway. So nerdy. Get weird people.
Yo, and I forgot, I realized that them weird, especially the white girl. She weird, like cool weird, isn't me? When I react to Cooking with Pierre, them time I realize she actually weird, like funny weird. She funny weird, isn't me? One of them funny about she just goofy with the fair one. Cause you can have different type of weird. She pure goofy.
You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Sing it.
She might talk about she just have like a goofy thing with her.
Girl next door, you carry it away.
What's Leanne? What's Leanne? What's she do? Leanne, say something. Leanne crazy. And crazy that the amount of talk show them supposed to come on. Talk show all over the world. Christmas! Wait, Little Mix have any Christmas song?
Crazy, it is time to be weird.
Christmas are my favorite time, but I want them on the Christmas song.
Why did you say
Spanish?
me?
What?
I know what you're saying.
Walan! What is Jamaican accent? What you saying in Jamaican accent? Oh my god, look how my feet are feeling right now. Oh my god.
I know
We don't know what you say right this, honest to
She
God.
likes to do taxes from time to time.
Where are you from, Jesse?
I don't know.
California?
Oh, she had the white girl
I'm
accent.
from New York.
But it would surprise me if them can do different voices because them sing very good and can disguise them voice so well. So that would surprise me. All night. That's crazy. But it's good when bandsmate can be goofy like this, isn't it? I think it build them chemistry very well to me. You know, nobody's strict and like, you know.
Who are you?
Yeah, that's yo, when more than like 12-year-old, 11-year-old, usually do this. Like, look a weird dance. What are them doing again? You see me? We do like ding dong swing and all them things right now. You see me? Ooh.
What do you want from Sorry, a bar.
Tell you no, Perrier to me, Perrier are the funniest one. Like with Goof in it, she like the funniest one, isn't it? That shit is funny. Yeah, I'll put them showing like a compilation with the face thing. That was more funnier. But me I wonder if them actually do like voice for any movie. Me wonder if Little Mix ever voice for any cartoon or a movie. Think them that do good enough. Oh my. Ooh, what? But that's like Perrier could have been a witch. She could have, I feel like she could have played a witch very well. Purple.
Oh shit! Oh shit! It's gonna be amazing!
Oh shit! No boy.
You can do it!
Yo, hold on. Hold on, you just funny. Look at that face, bro. Look at that face. Wow.
You can do
That shit
it!
is crazy. There was a...
Shut you!
Shut up! Shut up!
It's a lot of fun. Stop, man!
Okay. Okay. I want people like when them girl that... So what, Japan? Yeah, Japan. No, Chinese. No, hold on. China? Look like Chinese. No, Japanese guys here. Or Taiwan. I don't know, yeah. I don't know. Kind of look like Chinese to me now, yeah. Yeah, Chinese. The debate about why the Chinese are Japanese. Oh, she never knows that come out to them. What that? You know me, I wonder if I tell them move all the time. But we don't be able to fit out to them. We don't fit out to the camera or anything. Fit out them just behave like this all the time. You see me?
Mom, can you pick me up? I'm scared!
Oh, no, you're not. No, you're not. That's crazy. You must see my saying? That's crazy. You know that funny when I'm actually make that sound there and like a bug dropping on one of them mouth? That would be crazy. Alright guys, this is an inner reaction video. But after that, it's very funny, isn't it? Good to see the girl them, I'll show them natural goofy side and everything, even in an interview and stuff like that, isn't it? So this is showing us probably in a real life, like without the cameras, them actually goofy, isn't it, and behave like this. And it's good to me because when in one group with other people, it's good when the personality match and gel or mesh well together. That's no conflict or less conflict is within the group. You see me? So it makes a better person, a better group, and it enhances the music ability. You see me? Anyway guys, it's an reaction video. Don't know the thing set. Enough love. Peace. Out.
I'm an icon, and my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.